last dive. So done the last dive. So oceanic manta, some sharks. It was a nice dive. Let's hope it's not the last of the decade. Bye bye, Ampat. Sorong, here at the hotel, I ordered a Gojek motorbike to pick me up and join the guys from the trip to Raja to have dinner together. So here in Sorong, it seems like there is nothing. I tried to ask at the reception of the hotel and the only place they were suggesting was a beach, but it's too far away from me. So I was just chilling in the hotel. Strange thing here in Sorong is that I have the feeling that no buildings are leveled. They are all inclined, like the hotel, the shop here in front. I don't know how to show you in the video, but it's a strange feeling. It looks like you are climbing every time you walk in some directions. So I'm going to the airport. Even if I have this luggage, I will take a motorbike. It costs a quarter of the price of the car and probably it's faster. That was a ride. I have to keep balance on the scooter with the trolley, the backpack. Oof, so tired. It was exhausting. I'm here at the airport. I catch a flight. One of the smallest airports I've seen. Look, these are all the counters there. Even a soft place at Sorong Airport. And there are even aquariums. Look at that.
On behalf of all your airline captain, not upon you,
So I just landed in Makassar and I had to take another flight to Bali. I thought it was 5:30 and the flight was 6:25, so I had very limited time to pick up the luggage, make a new check-in because I bought separately, so I had to do that. But here is the same time difference of Bali, so it's not 5:30, it's 4:30, which gives me more, an additional hour. So I will show you my picture. I got the lucky seat.